Well, the fix and flip, you really are looking at, you're not going to get any appreciation in the market. As a buy and hold, you're looking at it for a 5 to 10 year period of time. And in general, you're going to see some appreciation in pricing. And so that's going to help you make a nice profit down the line.
Yeah.
When you're doing a fix and flip, you're trying to get in and out generally in 6 months or under. So within that period of time, you can't really count on any appreciation at all. And so some of the risks that you see are generally on a fix and flip for you to buy it so far. Well, the key is, as they say, buy low, sell high.
Right.
The trick is in this market that we're in right now, where it's a little more competitive.
Sure.
5 years from now, 5 years ago, there were so many REOs.
Right.
That it was fairly easy to buy a property at a 25 or 30% discount to the market value. And that's sort of what's needed to do a quick flip within 6 months. I'd say you're going to need at least a 20% discount to the market value to make a nice profit on fix and flip.
Yeah.
Sometimes you'll need even more than a 20% discount. It could be a 30% discount if the property needs a lot of work.
Right.
And so what becomes challenging is in this market where there's not as many REO properties, there's not as many foreclosures, how does a new investor buy a deal that's 20% below market or more?
Yeah.
And I think the danger is that they get lax in their, we call it their underwriting or in their review of the deal.
Yeah.
Where maybe they're sort of going on false numbers and they're really buying a deal that's only 10% below market, but they think it's 25% below market because they're not looking at the comps properly.
Yeah.
And maybe they're underestimating the rehab. They didn't use a professional person to help them really put together a proper rehab budget.
Yeah.
So now in reality, they're only buying a property that's maybe 10 or 15% below market. And when they go to resell within 6 months, there's not enough profit margin to make the deal really work. And they end up reselling and they break even or they lose.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of investors also will underestimate what a rehab costs.